So as a result, this current will be in the form of pulses. So only in the positive half, only for a small portion, your transistor is going to conduct, right? So you will be getting pulses. Pulses means very short pulse you will be getting, and these pulses indicate the transistor is going to be on. Another time you see the value is going to be zero. So class C is not used in audio frequency, it is used only in radio frequency. Can anybody say why class C cannot be used in audio frequency? Audio frequency, you know, right? Audio frequency is between the sound what you hear. 20, you have the, what is the range of audio frequency?
Because of high distortion, sir.
Okay, correct. What is the range of audio frequency? What all frequencies you can hear? You have a range, right? What is the range of audio frequency? 20 hertz to 20,000, 20 kilohertz, right? That is the audio frequency range your human ear can hear. So if I'm going to use a class C amplifier for audio frequency, because of distortion, the signal will be completely changed. Or I can say you would be giving a male voice. You want to amplify a song where you have a male voice and female voice. If you give the song to a class C amplifier, the song will be completely collapsed, and what you hear will be completely different from what was the original song because of lot of distortion. So class C amplifiers and other power amplifiers are always not suitable for audio frequency because they will change the information. But they can be used in radio frequency because in high frequencies it is not going to cause that much amount of distortion. All the distortion will be very dominant in your low frequency, which is specifically in the audio frequency. And since you have so much amount of distortion, in the collector side, I'm going to have an LC circuit. See, this LC circuit is called as a tank circuit. You might have studied, you will study about this tank circuit in your circuit theory. So whenever you see an LC parallel, whenever you see an inductor capacitance parallel, it is called as a tank circuit. And this tank circuit has a beautiful property of filtering out signals. So it can filter out any signal from the available signal at the collector. So what is the thing? I will be tuning this circuit and I can filter out any signal as I want. It is just like you have your FM, if you are hearing FM radio from your mobile phone, you will be tuning to a particular station, right? So when you tune the particular frequency to connect to a particular station, indirectly you're tuning the value of L or C. So when you tune L or C, you can connect to a particular station and you will be hearing the streaming from the particular station, right? So if you want to go and hear a different station, you will change the frequency, you will hear that particular station. So what you can understand here, the tank circuit will act like a filter. So it can filter out any frequency as you like, depending on the value of L and C. So you know in class C power amplifier, distortion is very high. So all frequency components N into F will be there. This N into F is called as harmonics. So by properly choosing the value of L and C, I can filter out any frequency signal from this collector. You're able to understand? I told you in one place harmonic is used for us, in one place harmonic is useless for us. So in here, in class C power amplifier, harmonics are very useful because I can pick out one particular frequency component by choosing the value of L and C. I'll say an example. You have a music concert where one person is singing, one person is playing flute, one person is playing veena, and person is playing mridangam. So if you have such a concert and you know that the singer will be having a particular frequency, the flute, the mridangam, and the veena will be having a different frequencies. When you combine everything, you get a proper music, right? So if I pass this music for amplification, I can filter out each frequency separately. I can filter out the singer's voice separately. I can filter out the veena sound separately. I can filter out the mridangam sound separately. I can filter out the the person who is singing separately. So the four different things I can filter out. But only one drawback, all the signals, whatever you filter out, will have a lot of distortion. because that is the property of class C amplifier. So in class C amplifier, you can pick up any frequency from the output using the tank circuit. Tank circuit is remember, whenever you have an LC parallel combination in electronics and communication till 8th semester, you will be studying a lot of circuits where this LC parallel will come. Remember, LC parallel circuit will work as a tank circuit. It's a frequency selective circuit. So it will work only for one particular frequency. It will not work for the remaining frequencies. So this tank circuit will collect the signal and it will amplify the waveform and produce at the output. So if you want only the singer's voice, I'll be choosing that particular value for L and C. Only the singer's voice will be coming out. If I want to hear only the mridangam sound, I can choose the value of L and C. That particular sound only will be coming out. So likewise, I can tune the different frequencies from a tank circuit.